catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. This is what I use to play with my cats instead of a laser pointer, because the laser pointer can always go in their eyes if they look back at you, where a reflection from my watch cannot get them to hurt their eyes. Just on her shadow. Go for it. Go for it. At least if she had to look back at me, she wouldn't get hurt and it wouldn't blind her, because cats are very sensitive with their eyes. And laser pointers, if you're a person, if you ever put a laser pointer by your eye, it hurts and it can cause temporary blindness. With a cat, it can cause permanent blindness. So I never advocate for people using laser pointers with cats. I think they're dangerous and accidents can happen. With this, it frustrates the cats also, so we do throw a toy afterwards so that they can grab it, but it doesn't hurt them. So she's getting a bit frustrated, must get a toy and then throw it to her.